Welcome to the Remodel Report, the show where we figure out what your home actually needs before you spend a dime. I am your host, and today we are talking about the one upgrade everyone wants in 2026, the walk-in shower. I have got our resident bath designer with me. Welcome back.
Thank you. Happy to be here. And you are right, the walk-in shower has completely taken over. We pulled 22 ideas together for this one, and here is what is wild. More than half of design pros now say a bigger shower matters more to buyers than keeping the bathtub. People are trading the tub they use twice a year for a shower they live in every day.
Okay, before we get to the pretty stuff, give me the big picture. What actually changed? Because my parents' shower from the 90s looks nothing like what I am seeing now.
5 things changed, really. First, Curbless went mainstream. That flat, step-free entry used to be an accessibility request. Now it is the first thing people ask for. Second, big slabs replace little tiles, so the walls have almost no grout lines. Third, the color warmed up, gray is out, warm off-whites and sage and olive are in. Fourth, aging in place became a design feature instead of a compromise. And fifth, the shower turned into a wellness room. Steam, body sprays, even color-changing light.
That is a lot, and honestly a little overwhelming if you are just trying to redo one bathroom. So let's make this practical. If someone is starting from scratch, how should they actually plan a walk-in shower? Walk me through it step by step.
Love that. Step 1. Measure your space and pick your size. The code minimum is 30 by 30 inches, but that feels like a phone booth. 36 by 36 is comfortable. And if you want it doorless, you need depth. Plan for about 60 inches from the shower head to the opening, or water goes everywhere.
60 inches, got it. That is the splash rule. Step 2?
Step 2. Decide curbless or curbed. Curbless looks clean, and it is the easiest thing in the world to walk into. But the subfloor has to be recessed, so it adds about 20 to 30% to the cost. If you go curbless, use a linear drain. That long slot drain, so the floor can slope in one clean direction.
So curbless is the dream, but it is not free. Step 3.
Step 3 is the one people skip and regret. Solve warmth and splash before the tile goes up. Open showers lose heat. That is the #1 complaint. So add radiant floor heating, keep at least a partial glass panel, and slope the floor a 1/4 inch per foot toward the drain. One glass company even says about 40% of doorless customers come back later to add a door. So frame the opening now so you could add one without a full remodel.
That is such a good tip. Build in a plan B. Step 4?
Step 4. Choose your tile and materials. Big, large format porcelain on the walls, fewer grout lines, way less scrubbing. But on the floor, do the opposite. Use small mosaic or pebble tile. All those little grout lines give you grip so you do not slip. Big slick tile on a wet floor is asking for trouble.
Big tile up top, small tile on the floor. Step 5?
Step 5. Plan the features that live inside the wall because you only get one shot. A recessed niche for your bottles, a built-in bench, and a rainfall head paired with a handheld so you can actually rinse the corners. And here is the big one. Even if you do not want grab bars today, have them put solid blocking behind the tile now. Adding a grab bar into bare studs is easy. Into finished tile, it is a nightmare.
Future-proofing without it looking like a hospital. And step 6, the one everybody actually wants to know, the money.
Right. Step 6. Set your budget. A custom walk-in shower runs about $6,000 to $12,000 installed, with most mid-range builds landing around $7,000 to $11,500. A basic prefab is under $4,500. Curbless adds that 20 to 30%. And a full wellness shower with steam and slab walls can run $15,000 to $30,000 and up.
And does it pay you back when you sell?
It does. A mid-range shower remodel returns roughly 70 to 80% of its cost. And homes with a shower as the main bathing option sell for about 10% more, which works out to around $1,500 more on average. Just keep at least one tub somewhere in the house so you do not scare off families with little kids.
Okay, that is the whole playbook in 6 steps. Now give me your favorites from the 22, the ones you would put in your own house.
For a small bathroom, the corner walk-in with a single fixed glass panel, it keeps the room open. For a modern look, frameless glass with one wall of large format stone, that quiet luxury feel. And my personal favorite, the styled curbless shower with a teak bench, a heated floor, and brushed brass grab bars that double as towel rails. It is the one design that works just as well at 75 as it does at 35.
That last one is the future, honestly. If people want to see all 22 with photos and the full cost breakdown, where do they go?
Everything is on the article. Just search USA Cabinet Store, 22 walk-in shower ideas. And if you want a real plan for your space, they do a free design consultation. Bring a photo of the look you want, and they will tell you what it takes to build it.
Perfect. Measure first, decide curbless, solve warmth and splash, pick your tile, build in the features, then set your budget. That is your walk-in shower in 2026. Thanks for breaking it down.
Anytime. Happy remodeling, everyone.